The state shall secure the well-being of the people and provide them with necessities of life, irrespective of sex, caste, creed or race, by raising their standard of living. Observing that, in pursuance of goal number 2 of the Sustainable Development Goals, Pakistan has committed to achieving zero hunger. Noting with concern that despite being an agrarian economy, Pakistan is far from reaching this goal with the...
Order in the House. Senator Sania, please तशरीफ रखें. बात सुन लें जी, क्या कह रही हैं वो, please. जी.
Noting with concern that despite being an agrarian economy, Pakistan is far from reaching this goal, with the country being positioned at number 84 out of 113 countries in the Global Food Security Index 2022, and currently facing record food inflation of 46.8%. Recognizing Pakistan's growing vulnerability to climate change, which will further threaten food security, as demonstrated by the devastating 2002 floods, which resulted in an additional 7.6 million people experiencing food insecurity, with 48% of households losing their stored cereal stock. Acknowledging that apart from the good work done in the shape of formulating the National Food Security Policy of 2018, Pakistan needs an action plan to unify, consolidate and streamline all efforts towards the goal of ensuring adequate, affordable, safe and nutritious food for all through sustainable food production, improved land use and reduced food wastage. The Senate of Pakistan therefore urges upon the government to immediately create a cross-sectoral task force in the country to identify gaps in financing towards our food system and develop a clear understanding of the country's financing needs in line with Pakistan's global commitments ahead of COP28. The House also demands that Pakistan should engage with global partners to unlock investments from public, private and multilateral development banks and philanthropic sources to shift to good food finance, and to actively participate in the co-investment platform for food system transformation that is to be launched at COP28.
जी, इस पे अब रेजोल्यूशन पे बात नहीं हो सकी, मैं अभी पुट करूंगा हाउस में जी. Is it opposed, Minister साहब, या हाउस में पुट करूं जी? I now put the resolution before the House. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Those against the resolution may say no. जी वोट करवा लूं या जी, जो इसके हक में वो अपनी नशिस्तों पे खड़े हो जाएं जी, जो इस रेजोल्यूशन के फेवर में हैं जी. रेजोल्यूशन ही खुद आपने बता दिया वही है ना जी. मैडम प्लीज, अब वोटिंग पे खड़े हैं जी, तशरीफ रखें जी. जो इसके अगेंस्ट हैं वो खड़े हो जाएं जी. आप लोग तशरीफ रखें प्लीज. तशरीफ रखें जी, काउंट हो गए जी. आए जी, बताएं जी, बताएं काउंट. जी, इसके फेवर में 11 वोट्स आए और अगेंस्ट आए हैं 22. So, the resolution is rejected. एक सर, मैं अभी एजेंडा खत्म करके आपको दे रहा हूं सर. 1 मिनट तशरीफ रख देता हूं.